is, I'm going to do a quick craft. I found these cool glasses for Day of the Dead at the Dollar Tree, and I don't even know, they're really thick. So I'm hoping they will work well to make some candles for our ofrenda. And our au pair this year is from Mexico, and she has an ofrenda set up in our dining room. And I wanted to make her some quick candles to go with it. They had some for sale there, but I didn't like them quite as much as these. I thought these were a lot prettier, and I figured it wouldn't be a big deal to melt some wax and put together some quick candles. So the first thing you're going to need is these things, kind of optional, but they allow you to hold the wick in place and just keep it steady while the stuff solidifies. And you need some wicks that are made for the type of wax you're using, and you need some wax. In this case, we're using soy wax, and I will melt it and pretty much pour it in here. If you want some sort of scent, you do need a scent to add to it. I'll show you what that looks like. You can purchase scents like this made specifically for candles to put into your mix. You don't need a ton of it per candle, but it just depends on how much you use and what type of wax and all that good stuff. I'm not very sciencey about this. Sometimes I just mix things in and see how it goes. A couple years ago, I made a candle that didn't really work out very well, so I have some pieces that were just sitting here that I want to use. I'm going to remelt them and use them to pour right in here. Now, this candle, I know what I made it with. I know I used soy wax, so these wicks are just fine. If you were melting a candle that you purchased at a store, like the extra pieces, you may find that it doesn't work well. I have not experimented with different types of wax or different types of wicks, so I am not the most experienced candle maker there is. I just am using what I know how to make. So I jammed all the pieces in here, and I'm just going to microwave them. I already microwaved a little so I could jam some more in. And I'm just going to put it in here for a minute or so. Keep an eye on it, stir it as needed, and make sure you use something to hold on to the mason jar because it's going to be hot. If you don't have a used candle to use, you can go ahead and pour your flakes into your mason jar. Okay, so you're melting everything, and once it's melted, you pour it in and just let it sit with the wick in it until it cools off. As you can see, it solidifies, and then you can go ahead and just nip the tip of your wick there. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and visit my blog, 𝐷IYDanielle.com, for more information on this project and on other projects. Have a great day. Take care.